So I have short hair now. What the heck? So you guessed it right, I did document the whole process and I'm basically gonna share it with you guys. Basically, I wasn't happy with my hair for a while now and I wanted to do something to it. And it's kind of funny because at first I thought about doing a whole head of highlights, like baby highlights, and I wanted to attempt that myself. In this very moment, I'm debating whether I want to give myself baby lights or just a simple balayage, as in like bringing a bit of blonde back to my hair. So you can't see the whole thing because I do have some braids going on in the back, but my roots are dark and then the bottom there is quite light and quite dead, dare I say. I don't know, am I doing the right thing? I'm literally not sure. I mean, I'm good with hair, but there was definitely a chance for it to go on a Brand Mondo fail video, so yeah, we decided not to do that. One random day, I pretty much decided to cut my hair short, so still have some makeup on and look kind of good. I just decided about cutting my hair short like this length. Guys, I originally started this thing wanting to get baby lights. Now I want to go shorter. I think I'm gonna do it. Mental crisis. No, I'm actually really happy right now. I think I'm gonna do it. It's like, it just feels healthier if I do it. So I was supposed to wait for a friend of mine to come over and cut my hair short, but I could not wait, and so I started to do it myself. Oh my god, okay. Like, how cute is my Tangle teaser? It's like peaches all over it. I love it. I think it's just adorable. Okay, so I think I'm done for now. I'm actually quite positive that I will go shorter, but I want to like ease my way there. I've literally been talking alone, so I wanted to show you guys the back. It's just like this camera is in a really awkward position right now and it's just gonna fall if I turn. Not gonna lie, I was actually quite happy with the result. Also, spoiler alert, my curls were thriving after that, like legit, they were thriving. So I'm literally sitting on the floor because I don't know where to put the camera, but I just realized that this is literally the same length that I had last year, and it's been like a legit year ever since I cut my hair. I'm afraid that if I chop it all the way here like I want to do, it's just gonna be brown. I don't know if you can tell, but it's drawing quite curly as well, and it just looks so much fuller now. I'm actually quite shocked about how curly my hair is underneath. And then of course, as you guys can tell, my friend came over and she did my hair. Puoi ridere? So we ended up cutting it twice. The first time it was still too long for my liking, and so we ended up going shorter. Sì, un altro un poco, cioè non troppo, però un altro centimetro, sì, o centimetro e mezzo. Ok, rifacciamo. guys, come more. Fuck's sake. And this is like the final result. I also have a clip where my hair is curly and like natural. It's definitely so frizzy because I feel like that's just how my hair naturally is. Oh my god, it's so short. Okay, so this is day 1 of me having short hair. My friend literally just got it like a few hours ago now, and I feel like I'm still yet to realize that my hair is short. So it hasn't really hit me yet. And then for the sake of this video, I decided to straighten it. Don't know if I did a great job because apparently I'm really bad at straightening my hair now that it's shorter, but this is how it looks like. I think I'm gonna wear it like either curly, like doing curls with a straightener, or natural probably most of the time, but this is how it looks like. So I definitely needed a good haircut. I wanted to go shorter also like for a really long time, and so I'm kind of happy that I finally did. And if I flip my hair this way, I'm kind of getting like some Taylor Swift vibes. I don't know why. Like, can you guys see that as well, or is it just me? Picture my hair like curly here and just like with the side bangs, because I'm having like major 1989 mixed with red vibes. And I'm talking about red just because my lipstick definitely follows the red aesthetic. Definitely feels way healthier now. It's so much thicker as well. So this is low-key my first time going this short. I don't think my hair has ever been this short. And I'm actually kind of liking it. I feel like I still need to get used to it. I haven't really like styled it yet. Haven't really tried any, you know, hairstyle, like any braids or anything like that. So I think that's gonna be quite a fun journey to be on. But yeah, this is how it looks like. I really hope you guys enjoy this hair transformation. I'm quite happy with the result. It's definitely a DIY haircut, but I'm not mad. I kind of like it. Like I said, I wanted to go this short for like ages now, so I'm kind of happy that I did. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what do you think of my new haircut, and of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new cover every Tuesday and a main channel video every Friday. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.